This is FET304 Technology Element. So in this video we're going to be looking at database tables. So the question here, which of the following is the appropriate sequence of steps used for normalizing a relational database table? So here we have our three steps, step A, step B and step C, and here we have some sequences, and one of these is going to be the most appropriate for normalizing a relational database table. So step A, attributes dependent on non-key attributes are separated as another table. Step B, attributes dependent on only part of key are separated as another table. And step C, repetitive data is separated as another table. So let's have a look here at the concept of database normalization. This is the process of organizing the fields or columns and tables or relations of a relational database to minimize data redundancy. Normalization involves decomposing a table into less redundant and smaller tables without losing information, defining foreign keys in the old table, referencing the primary keys of the new one. The objective is to isolate data so that additions and deletions and modifications of the attribute can be made in just one table and then propagated through the rest of the database using defined foreign keys. So let's have a look at how we can derive our answer. Firstly, we can look at the first normal form, or the 1NF. This requires eliminating repeating groups in individual tables, creating a separate table for each set of related data, and identifying each set of related data with a primary key. This is similar to our step C that we defined in the question. Next, what we can do is look at the second normal form, or 2NF. This requires tables to be in 1NF and creating a separate table for data with a partial dependency. Partial dependency occurs when the primary key is a composite key and fields are dependent on some of the fields of the primary key. This is very similar to our step B. Finally, we come to our third normal form, or our 3NF. This requires tables to be in 2NF form and eliminating repeating groups in individual tables, creating a separate table for data dependent on fields other than the primary key. This is similar to step A, so the appropriate sequence will be 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. We can also put this in our terms of our steps as step C to step B to step A, which is the same as we had for our answer of B. Therefore, B is our correct answer in this case. So as we said on the previous slide, B is the correct answer. And in this table, what we've seen is the correct algorithm for normalizing of a relational database.